we'd love to hear your take on what is it that I as a developer, why should I be developing on Arbitrum?
Yes. So aside from the security that I mentioned previously, one thing I like to tell developers and enterprises that are building on Arbitrum is think of Arbitrum as a platform. What that means is we have one of the top 5 most successful blockchains, public blockchains by economic activity, based on like DeFi, TVL, stablecoin TVL. But also as you build out different tooling, as you think about the future of like your product, there might be instances whereby you might not want to build on a public chain for different reasons, be it privacy, compliance, or regulatory reason. And the Arbitrum stack enables teams to build out their own environment using whatever that they have built before. So one example is with Robinhood. They wanted to go to market very quickly. They launched the tokenized equities on the Arbitrum public chain, but they have shared that it is their intention as well in future to launch Robinhood chain, which is also developed out of the Arbitrum stack. And it allows them to move very quickly between the public chain as well as the Robinhood chain. The second reason is a product we have called Stylus. So we view EVM as the floor, not the ceiling. What that means is teams and developers can actually use other programming languages to build on Arbitrum. Not only Solidity, they can use Rust, C, C++. And we are speaking with fintechs and financial institutions or even payment companies. This is especially important for them because as they scale and as their on-chain footprint scales, the default thinking is if I want to build on Arbitrum, I need to scale up the number of Solidity developers I have. With Arbitrum, that's not the case. They are able to use some of these other languages that has gas fee as well as memory saving to build on Arbitrum, at the same time be compatible with the EVM space. And the last one is actually the ecosystem. So how do we think about some of these different use cases as you bring different products on chain? So we are seeing the convergence of some of these like TradFi and DeFi, and Arbitrum, we host some of the deepest liquidity across both RWAs and DeFi. So it's a natural conversion point for some of these teams that are thinking of different use cases.